A name, Cody Rudland, has appeared in newly released emails connected to Jeffrey Epstein, following the public release of additional records on January 31. The name drew attention after an email in Epstein's account was discovered with the subject line "You are dead" and the message "Lol good riddance." The email appears to be among the final messages received in Epstein's inbox before his death in August 2019. After the email circulated online, particularly on social media and Reddit, users speculated and joked about who Cody Rudland might be. However, there is no verified information confirming the identity of this person or even whether the name belongs to a real individual. Authorities and researchers stress that the presence of a name or email in the Epstein files does not imply involvement in any crime or wrongdoing. At this time, the email exists only as part of the public archive, with no evidence linking it to Epstein's death. Public access to these emails has increased through a tool called Gmail, which presents the released Epstein emails in a Gmail-style interface. The platform allows users to search, read, and navigate messages more easily than earlier PDF or scanned formats. Gmail uses AI and optical character recognition to make documents readable, and all content shown comes strictly from public records, with no private emails added. The Epstein email archive includes correspondence involving several high-profile individuals, including Donald Trump, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Reid Hoffman, Howard Lutnick, and former White House counsel Kathy Rumler. Officials have repeatedly stated that being named in the files does not indicate criminal activity. Jeffrey Epstein died in a New York jail cell in August 2019 while awaiting trial on federal sex trafficking charges. He had previously served time in Florida for soliciting prostitution from a minor. His associate, Ghislaine Maxwell, was convicted in 2021 and is currently serving a 20-year prison sentence in Texas. At present, the appearance of the name Cody Rudland remains unexplained and unverified. Authorities urge the public to avoid speculation and rely only on confirmed information as review of the Epstein files continues.